Welcome to another one of my tutorials. Today I'm going to be explaining how to create panoramic images in Adobe Photoshop. One of the benefits of using Photoshop to make panoramic images rather than using the panorama feature on your camera is that Photoshop will do it seamlessly, and also you save time while you're out there shooting. So to get started, we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Automate, and we're going to go to Photo Merge. I'm going to click Browse, and then we're going to get two files that we want to make into a panorama. You can use JPEGs like I do. These were originally RAW files, but I exported them to JPEG in Lightroom. Or if Camera Raw in Adobe Photoshop will read your RAW files, then you can probably use RAWs. But I'm going to use JPEGs for this. And then just leave it on auto for the time being, and then just click OK. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to create a panoramic image, which, as we can see, is doing now. And usually the images which it creates will be seamless and they'll look really, really good. So there we go. There's the panorama that we created. Now you can notice quite a lot of this background here. And to get rid of that, we're going to simply use the crop tool. So press C on your keyboard to get the crop tool. I've already got it. And then we're going to just drag over the area that you want to save. And then when you've got the area you want to save, hit enter. And there you go. There's your panoramic image. Go to File, Save As, and then save it as a JPEG. And you can stick it in Lightroom or whatever you want later in order to render it and make it look really, really nice. Now, if auto doesn't work first time for you, what you can do is you can go to Automate, Photo Merge, and then load up your files again. And you can choose one of these presets here. Usually if auto doesn't work for you, one of these other ones will. Obviously, if your pictures aren't very good, well, not very good, but obviously if they're not taken how they should be, like one and then the other, then you're not going to be able to get a terribly good panorama. Note though that if you want to edit immediately in Adobe Photoshop, you need to save your panoramic image with a JPEG, just like I did, and then you're going to need to open it again. You're going to need to open it again here, and then that way you will be able to go and edit it on it, edit stuff on it. I've not edited anything in Adobe Photoshop for a little while. I've been on Lightroom now for quite a while, so my Photoshop editing skills do kind of suck a bit, but there we go. You can get something that looks a little bit like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it will help you create really nice panoramic images. Thanks for watching.